Right, good morning, welcome back. Now, once again, thank you so much for your kind patience with these two-day paint projects. I have to do it this way. The paint has to cure before I can put it back on the bike without putting fingerprints in it. So here we are today. Now this is the final job. The screen, the brackets, all ready to assemble onto the bike. And then that's it for this project. We can underline it, job done, and move back onto the XJR with the engine work begins. And I'm looking forward to that. But anyway, stuff to do today. Let's get on with it. Well, there we go. Now that concludes the project on the Triumph Rocket 3. So just to recap on everything we've done. Sealed the leaking header pipe and painted the exhaust. Replaced the rusty header nuts. Custom mapped the ECU and de-restricted the throttle bodies. New tyres. Painted the airbox cover and the radiator guard. Painted the fork shrouds, the horn cover, the headlights and the ignition cover. Final drive casing, and also painted the fender struts, the backrest and the rack. Finally, fitted a fully refurbished, genuine OEM spec factory fly screen. And that concludes the project. There's nothing more to do other than progressive maintenance as we go along. So in the next video, we'll take it for a ride. I'll take you along with me. And if it's howling a gale and chucking it down, we maybe suspend that and we'll get back on the XJR. But either way, thank you for watching. Take it easy, ride safe. I'll see you next time.